Welcome to Square Root Central. In this video, we will be using the formula vertically and crosswise to multiply two 3-digit numbers. So let's begin by multiplying 734 with 412. To understand in detail how the formula vertically and crosswise works, please go through the video. I will also put up a link in the description below. Now, according to our formula, we begin with the leftmost digit of the number 734 and we start calculating from left to right on the multiplier, which is 412. So the first calculation would be 7 and 4. Since there is just one digit, it would be vertically. 7 multiplied by 4, which gives us 28. Now remember, with vertically and crosswise, all our calculations would be from the left to the right on the multiplier first, which in our case is 412. Then we would proceed with the same on the multiplicand, which in our case is 734. As we move further right on the multiplier, which is 412, our next calculation would be between 7 and 4, 1. And now since it is two digits in the multiplier, the next calculation or the next step would be a crosswise. 7 multiplied by 1 plus 4 multiplied by 3, which is 19. Let's move further right on the multiplier, that is 412. Our calculation now would be between 7 and 412. Since it is 3 digits in the multiplier, we would now be having a vertically and a crosswise, as we can write 3 as the sum of 2 and 1. So we have 7 multiplied by 2 plus 4 multiplied by 4 plus 3 multiplied by 1, which gives us 33. And with that, we have completed all the digits in the multiplier, moving from left to right. Now, according to our formula, we move further right on the multiplicand, that is 734, and begin our calculations with the number 3. As explained in vertically and crosswise, with all digits other than the leftmost digit of the multiplicand, calculations will begin with the corresponding digit in the multiplier. So for 734 multiplied by 412, we would begin the calculations of the number 3 with the number 1 in 412 and move from left to right. Since it is two digits in the multiplier, we have 3 multiplied by 2 plus 4 multiplied by 1, which gives us 10. Now, according to our formula, we calculate all digits other than the leftmost only once. So moving further right on the multiplicand, we would now begin our calculations with the number 4. As we move into the final step of our calculation, there is a pattern on your screen that is coming up. Step 4 is the same as step 2 and step 5 is the same as step 1. We will discuss this further once we get our answer to the question. For now, since there is one digit in the multiplier, we will be having a vertically, which is 4 multiplied by 2, which gives us 8. With this, we complete our calculations. Now let's start writing the answers we got in steps 1 to 5 as shown on the screen. Take a look at the bottom left hand side of your screen. We begin by writing the number 28 from step 1. Next, we write 19 from step 2 as shown on your screen with a 1 below and 9 above. We now continue writing the rest of the numbers with the same pattern, that is 33 with a 3 below and a 3 above, 10 with a 1 below and a 0 above, 8 with a 0 or nothing below and an 8 above. We now add 289308 with 131 to get 302408. So using vertically and crosswise in 5 steps, we now know that 734 multiplied by 412 is 3,02,408. Remember, total number of steps will be 1 less than the total number of digits in your question. In the given example, we have 7, 3, 4, 4, 1, 2, that is 6 digits. 1 less than 6 is 5, so we have 5 steps. Similarly, if you multiply two 4-digit numbers, you will have 1 less than 8, 7 steps. To quickly recap, we use vertically and crosswise on our problem. Write the answers we get in the steps as 2 rows, add them up together to get to our final answer. For daily dose of tips and trivia, follow us on social media, link in the description below. And for more examples, tips and tricks, do not forget to like, share and subscribe. Square Root Central signing off.